Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Just woke up. Market opens in 1.5 hour. Should the trade recap for I guess it was it's 12th. That was Tuesday. Very simple trade. I'll show you what happened and why I took it. So okay. I'll draw the liquidity first. This was not. This was mostly London highs were swept before the market opened. There were London lows over here. This was London lows. This was Asia lows. This was Asia lows over here. We did have previous day highs and lows, which was clearly taken within a second. I was hoping to see a FEG tap in on a daily candle, but it's a very big. Uh, the the space is very big, so I was not expecting in a day. We might see it today. Well, let's see. So uh, the market wasn't even open at that time. We had the news. The news were actually not that great. I guess one news was a little bearish, while few news were neutral, and we still did see the pump, which is quite surprising. We did move around like 166 points, which is good, which is great actually. So I'll tell my buyers the I knew the all-time high will be taken today, but not before the market open. Of course, we need volume a lot. So this were high, this were high. So what I did was I waited till the market takes a liquidity of that high. Of course, not the all-time high because I was not expecting that much. Market did show some reaction. The price was getting weaker. Of course, you could see here. So you would say why I was targeting this low, because there wasn't 15 minutes FEG or 5 minutes FEG, 3 minutes. There was FEG over here and OB over here. I could target the OB, but I targeted the FEG as I was not risking much. You could see the reaction from here, which is crazy. So I waited on 30 seconds. There was a clear breakout structure on 30 seconds. I'll show you 1 second. Okay, this was a breakout structure on 30 seconds. Normally do not trade on 30 seconds anymore, as New York's mostly um, validates the 1 minute breakout structure, not 30 seconds. But there was 30-second breakout structure here. You could say, if you do not take the VIX in matter, you could say this is a breakout structure. I waited. There was an OB. My stop loss was around here over this OB, and I took the impulsive trade. I didn't wait it. There was SMT2, which gave me more influence. There was SMT2. I could not show the SMT right now, but you could check there was SMT over here, the 1 minute candle. I took the trade on Nasdaq. Perfect trade. 1:3. I was risking 300. This was a trade. I was risking 300. Made around 650. I would be de-risking from trading. I've seen I'm risking a lot and making a lot less actually. If I'm risking 5, I'm making 3 or 4, which is very bad RR. So I feel like I'm comfortable on $300, risking 300. I'm making 6 to 9 or 15, 1:3 or 4, which is very idle. If let's hit the banger. If you wouldn't took this trade, there was multiple trades, like a lot of trades yesterday. The market was really good yesterday. You can see this 3 minutes tap in. You could have taken trade after tap in here. Then there was a clear OB tap in over here. Could be in 15 minutes. I hate to see when this happens. You have to go back. Okay, we'll stay on 1 minute actually. There's no clear structure on 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, there was an OB tapped in here. And FEG was tapped in, you could take a trade on OB. This was sweep of liquidity, clear sweep of, or this was not tapped in actually, so you can't take that trade. Yeah, OB was tapped in. You could have taken the trade here or around here. And this was a tap. This was a liquidity sweep. This was a FEG here. This was a really good trade. Look at the volume bar. I was even expecting a long from here. I was expecting a long from here actually, but surprisingly, we did see a long from OB. Yeah, there was a OB here. There was a FEG. We got tapped in. We got reaction. Yesterday was crazy. I wouldn't lie. We see a really good move. 328. Even S&P was ES was up like 60-70 points, which is really good. So this was the trade recap. Um, yeah, market opens to 1.5 hour. Let's see what bangers we do today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.